Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Saifullah from Sktacademy.com. Today we're going to discuss some more tools, some more settings in the wall tool. So let's start. I will select a wall architecture. In the previous videos we discussed wall properties and settings about in which level we're gonna start, in which level we're gonna end our wall, location line, chain, offset, radius, etc. If you see, if I'm drawing, so only I can draw a wall straight as a line. So I wanna change my wall setting. For example, I want my wall in a rectangle shape, like we draw a rectangle in AutoCAD or any CAD software. So here I will select from line to rectangle. Let's draw. The settings will be the same as I mentioned before, that we can change it anytime. If you want unconnected to level 2 or wall center line or finish face interior, finish face exterior or offset etc. So let's draw a rectangle wall, and if you see, it's going both directions and you can see its dimensions. Click here. Now you can modify these walls. For example, I wanted 50 feet and this wall will be 40 feet. For example, you can give it any dimension you want. So that's how we created a rectangle wall. Again, wall architecture. Now you can see here inscribed polygon, circumscribed polygon or circular. I will draw an inscribed polygon. You can specify its sides, how many sides of polygon you want. So I will change it to 9 for example. Click here and press your left mouse button and release it. Now you can give it a radius. You see, for example, I am giving it a radius of 30 feet. Click here. So that's inscribed. You also can draw a circumscribed polygon. I will select it and delete it. Again, select wall architecture. Now you can draw a circular wall. The same method for radius. For example, I am giving it 25 and click here. Again, click and give a radius and then click again. Click, draw and then click. Simple method. You all every time you can change it every time, anywhere. If you want to move it, you can move it. So that's how we can change its radius anytime if you want. I will select and delete it. Again, wall architecture. Now start in radius. You can draw a circular type of wall as a curve or arc wall. So click here. Now give it a distance of, for example, I am giving it 30 feet and now give it a radius 15 feet or more than 15 feet or less than if you want. So I will click here. Again I want 20 feet. Click and go downwards to draw a line. Press escape. That's how we can create a arced wall. Again select wall architecture. Now center and arc, you can see here. See here. So these types will be visible if you draw straight lines, and I will turn up chain so I can draw a simple line. Now select start and arc. You can see in a small video, start from here to here, and now you can draw a line, or you can simply draw again from here to here, and now draw a line. So that's how you can create arced line. You also can draw from here, from this side. First you draw a circle, then start point, and then end point. That's how you can create arced line. Another cool thing, I will select again, draw wall architecture here, tangent and arc. So you can see it. Now start from here to this point. This is simply you can draw from both ends, you can draw. So I will start from this side to this side. So that's how you can create an arc between walls. I will delete it. The last thing, you can fillet arc. So first I will fillet it simply. Don't worry, I will make a video on that modify tool so that you will learn it easily. Now I am using it as a fillet tool. So if you have this kind of wall corner, then you can draw from here fillet arc. Select this line and then select this line. Draw it again. Select this line, drag it here, and you can see. So I will click it again. So you can give a fillet here. If you have problems, you also can give a fillet. If you remember, we already did it in drawing a wall from here. So if you have problems, fillet arc, you can, if you want, from here. That's how you can fillet it. The last thing, I will pick lines. I will tell you in detail that how you can draw walls by line. So I will draw reference plans. Later on I will make a complete building on reference plan so that you will easily know how to use reference plans. So wall architecture, and now select wall type and pick walls or pick lines, sorry. pick it. You can see by pick lines you also can draw wall. That's the easiest way. I must say that you can draw walls. Again, reference plan from here, reference plan from here, reference plan from here. Now wall pick lines. You can see very easy to select lines, and it will automatically draw walls on the line. Because of the location line is center line, so our wall will be on the center of that line. I will delete, sorry, delete. Now I will change my wall type to location line to finish face exterior, and now pick lines so that you will see it will be on the edge of that line. That's how we already discussed it. But if you have problems, so by picking lines you will be clear that how it works. So that's some editing tools or draw tools, I must say, in wall. Now I will discuss some more things. You can select or change wall types. We already discussed it. Now I want to say that I want to make changes in my some wall types. For example, here is no 9 inches wall, so I want my one of my wall to be 9 inches thick. So what I will do, first select a wall type. Now edit your type. Now don't make changes in your original family. Remember, it's very necessary. Don't edit your original family or your original block. Make a duplicate of it, and I will say generic 9 inches. Okay, so by this our wall won't be 9 inches thick because we just named it a 9 inches. If you see here, our width is 8 inches. So I will edit its structure. You can make changes here. I will edit it, and you can see structure is 8 inches. So I will make adjustment. I will make it 9 inches. You can make more changes if you want. You also can make add materials here if you want. Later we will do it. Just learn how to make changes, how to make changes in your wall thickness. So that's it. We make it. You also can change materials from here. Material. So from here you can change material. Leave it. We will later change it. Our thickness, wall thickness is now 9 inches, and then apply OK. Now you can see our wall width is 9 inches. That's how you can edit your family, your design. So that's 9 inches. I will draw again a wall of 8 inches generic. Maybe there is a difference between them, if you can judge it. So that's how you can make changes in your wall. From generic 8 inches to generic 9 inches. You can make more changes if you want. You can add materials, but later we will do it. So that's it. I hope you will like my videos. So do subscribe my channel, like it and share it. In next video, see you again, inshallah. Bye.